Hi everybody! We are going to be making our very own coloring page. The learning targets for this project are: I can identify geometric shapes. I can draw geometric shapes. I can create a pattern with lines. I can create my own coloring page. So, we're going to be looking at geometric shapes, and you are going to choose one of these shapes for your coloring page. Now, there's lots of different geometric shapes. They are all flat. They are two-dimensional. They're mostly man-made, and they have specific names. A circle is always going to be called a circle, and a star will always be a star, and a heart will always be a heart. We know a square is a square because it has 4 sides and they are all the same length. You're going to pick one of these geometric shapes to start your drawing. It's really important that when you draw your shape, you're going to make sure you draw it big enough to fill the whole space. You can use a pencil to start your drawing, or just dive right in with a black marker. I like to put the cap on the back of the end so it doesn't roll away on me. Now, I'm going to be doing a heart shape. I can draw a heart shape with a big V, and then I can draw a curved line, and then I can draw another curved line, and there's my heart. Now, the next step of the project, after you draw your geometric shape, you are going to be breaking the shape up into more than one space. The inside of my heart is just one space, but I can draw a line. I'm going to draw a straight line inside my heart. My line goes from one side to the other. Now I have 2 spaces inside my heart. I can draw another line. I can draw a curved line. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. Now the fun begins. I am going to look at all the different types of lines that I can draw, and then I am going to choose one of those lines to make a pattern inside my spaces. I'm going to do a curved line. I'm going to do a curved line that repeats over and over again. We can call this line a cloud line. And I'm going to make it a pattern by repeating it over and over again. I'm going to do it again right here. There is my curved cloud line, and I've got space for one more right here. Now I have one space of my geometric shape filled in with a line pattern. I've got 1, 2, 3 more spaces. Maybe this time I'll do a straight line. It has to repeat over and over again for it to be a pattern. There we go. There's my pattern of straight lines. In this space, maybe I could draw a zigzag line. I love a good zigzag line. It reminds me of like sharp teeth, maybe on a shark or a monster. There we go. There's my pattern of zigzag lines. I've got one more space. I'm going to do a loop-de-loop line. This line takes a little more concentration. I have to slow down my hand to focus on those loop-de-loops. And then I'm going to sneak my loop-de-loops right up there. And then I'm going to go right up here with my last loop-de-loop line. There's my pattern of loop-de-loop lines. And boom! That is my coloring page. The only thing that's missing is my name right down here. I'm going to sign my name using little letters because my artwork is not actually my name. This is my artwork. This is what I want everyone to pay attention to. But it's important that I claim this as my own. All right, boys and girls, I can't wait to see what geometric shape you pick and what lines you make your patterns with. Have fun, and I can't wait to see your coloring pages. Bye.